Squats are known to increase testosterone levels and to increase blood flow to the pelvic region, making orgasms more intense. They're an incredible exercise for enhancing sex. They'll also strengthen your lower body for a more powerful thrust both while you're on top and while your partner is on top. Squats increase blood flow to the pelvic region, which energize your libido to make orgasms more intense. They're an amazing exercise for enhancing sex abilities because through squats will strengthen your lower body for a more powerful thrust. For instance, research shows that if you burn as little as 200 additional calories a day, about 20 minutes of exercise, you can lower your risk of erectile dysfunction. It will also help you enjoy sex more and be sexually aroused easily. In addition to cardio and strength training, stretching also loosens you up, enabling you to experiment with different positions. So even if you already have a pretty great sex life, try incorporating these exercises and stretches into your workout routine and reap the benefits in the bedroom. Squats will get your blood flowing to your lower body, and increasing circulation around your legs and midsection will increase circulation to your genitalia. Improved circulation leads to enhanced arousal, so spend more time doing squats to boost your sex life. Squats is a good sex exercise for men because it works on the muscle group that is most actively engaged during intercourse. The many benefits of doing squats include increased blood circulation to the pelvic area, high levels of testosterone, strengthening the lower body for stronger thrusts and intense orgasms. Besides, good lower body strength will give you the confidence to try new positions for enhanced pleasure during sex. Always fantasize taking a while standing upright but don't know if your body has the endurance for it. Start doing squats and see the difference. Try to do at least 15 reps of squats daily to see a change in your sexual performance. Squats are intense that they create an anabolic environment and make the body release hormones that are vital for the growth of muscle tissue. If you want to increase muscle mass and strength in all areas, squatting will help you get there. To support you even more, try one of our women's best protein products. Squats are a truly universal exercise. Done correctly, squats will increase performance by helping you jump higher and run faster. Running speed is influenced by being able to apply more force into the ground, and the fastest way to improve this is to increase lower body strength. Therefore, do squats. Squats don't require an expensive machine or apparatus to be performed. A rack can be used, or even a pair of dumbbells are all you need to get to work. Overhead squats, kettlebell squats, dumbbell squats all require minimal equipment. Squats help keep your knees by improving your flexibility and preventing injury. The bending and stretching of your knees will strengthen your knee muscles and allow more oxygen and blood to flow around the joints, thus helping to keep them supple and strong.